I came to Dr. Dixit's clinic with a severe pain in my front tooth. So we did an X-ray, and we found out that there should be two ways of treatment because I had a cyst, non-surgical way or surgical way. So I preferred non-surgical. And then Dr. Archana Dixit made a root canal treatment, and this job was perfectly done, and I didn't feel any pain during this. So that's why I planned my next visit to Dr. Santosh Dixit for metal-free crowns. And this job was done perfectly as well. So, and I would definitely recommend this clinic to my friends in case of any issues with their tooth. And I want to thank Drs. Dixit for this perfect job. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jarad Poddar. I just had a lot of pain recently in my TMJ, and the pain was enough for me to not be able to chew when I was trying to eat food. I just came over to Dr. Dixit, and he told me that he could correct it. He could correct it with this splint, and it took me about 4 sittings to get the splint done. As soon as the splint was done, I've been wearing this for 1 week now, and my pain is reduced by about 50% already. It's been a really helpful little splint, and I'm supposed to come back in 6 weeks and check where we are. It's pretty easy to put on as well. There you go. That's me at night these days. Thanks.
Thank you. 1 second, Father.
Good afternoon. Very happy because I finished my dental implants and I found it very comfortable and very nice looking. After a little more than 2 months since I started this operation, Dr. Santosh Dixit was very fast in doing this job and very skillful. I started 2.5 months ago. I was having some problem with my old denture. It was not anymore possible to use it because the decay of some of the teeth. So doctor suggested the implants, and I decided to go for it. But my frame time was limited. Anyhow, doctor managed to do the surgery, and the surgery was very smooth, and also to work for the implant after 2 months. Even though the time was short, doctor decided to go for it, and I'm happy. It is looking a well done job, and I hope it will last for all life. Though now I'm already 60, so my life may not be so long, but I believe that this will be there for me. I'm very grateful to Dr. Santosh for his supportive and smiling face, and for his hard work and his passion and dedication to this. And I'm also very happy about it.
Thank you.
Hello, myself I am G.K. Sharma. I'm visiting Dr. Dixit clinic, Dr. Dixit and Mrs. Dixit from the past 10 years. Earlier I had visited 2-3 dentists for my root canal and all the things, but I was not happy with their services. And later on, some of my friends suggested me to go to Dr. Dixit. I visited the clinic first. The first impression of mine was that once I entered the clinic, I thought I come to the correct place. And the way the doctor's staff received me, and Dr. Dixit and Mrs. Archana Dixit, they gave me a family treatment, and the treatment was very nice and with sophisticated material, sophisticated everything. And the root canal was so easy, it was not very much painful, and I can bear it. And afterwards, no look back, I was contacting them for any problems. Secondly, then Dr. Dixit suggested me for the implant of my teeth. And I was very scared because people told me that it's a very painful job to extract the teeth, and without teeth you have to wait there for some months. And they said even after fixing also it will be very painful job. I can't eat properly and it will keep on paining and all the thing. But once Dr. Dikshit suggested he has actually explained me the procedure, and he made me to be happy. Then I was satisfied and I gone for the implant treatment. And to my surprise, it was very, very, very easier than the that capping system. And I was not feeling any pain or anything like that, only little pain on the day of first day. And I taken some one painkiller for 2-3 painkiller. Next day onwards, there is no problem at all. And later on, he fixed the implant teeth. And now I feel they are very natural. I don't get any pain. I can eat. I think they are better than my real teeth. And I wish Dr. Dikshit and Mrs. Dikshit a very, very, very what is called, sorry, very, very successful in their life, and also the care they are taking. It is something I cannot express. It's like a family treatment. Not only to me, all the clients who are visiting there, their first impression is that. And I also suggested all my friends, my colleagues, we have got association of 30 senior citizens group. I told everybody to go to Dr. Dikshit only. They visited them and they were also very happy with the services. And lastly, I need not say anything about their staff. They are excellent. Even the junior doctors are also very careful. And the counter staff, rather the reception, they are all very nice. And I am very happy, and I wish all of them the success. And this clinic should expand, expand, and expand. Thank you.
स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, मैं अपने दांतों के लिए डॉक्टर दीक्षित संतोष दीक्षित के क्लिनिक में आई थी डेंटल केयर के लिए। उनसे सलाह लेने के लिए आई थी क्योंकि मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मेरे को इंजेक्शन से डर लगता था करके मैं हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पा रही थी। तो मैंने उनसे राय लेने के लिए आई, उन्होंने मुझे अच्छी राय दी और मेरे में हिम्मत आ गई। तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया उनके वहाँ जाके, और उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी तरह से किया। सारे रूट कैनालिंग किए पहले उन्होंने मेरे 26 दांतों के, और उसके बाद पता भी नहीं चला कि कब इंजेक्शन दिए, कैसे दिए, रूट कैनाल भी नहीं पता चला मुझे। और फिर पूरा रिहैबिलिटेशन उन्होंने बोला था कराने के लिए, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है। तो करते करते वो रूट कैनालिंग होने के बाद फिर मैं संतोष दीक्षित के पास गई। उन्होंने मेरे को वहाँ उन्होंने और ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी की। पता ही नहीं चला कि कब मेरे दांत इतने बढ़िया हो गए जो कि मैं किसी को दिखा नहीं सकती थी। अभी इतने अच्छे हो गए कि मैं बार बार स्माइल करके लोगों को दिखाती हूँ और लोग भी खुश होते हैं कि इतने अच्छे दांत और स्माइल हो गई आपकी, कि मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ उनका जिन्होंने मुझे इतनी अच्छी सलाह दी। और उनका जो लव एंड अफेक्शन है, जो इतने प्यार से वो ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं कि आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कब हो गया आपका ट्रीटमेंट। तो ये आप सब हिम्मत जुटाइए और देर मत करिए। मैंने फिर भी थोड़ी देर कर दी थी, मगर फिर भी बहुत सही समय पे आके उनकी सलाह लेने से मेरा ये सब काम बहुत अच्छी तरह से हो गया। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।